Welcome. If you want to log out from your Gmail account on Samsung Galaxy A20E, and first you have to tap on this dot in the right upper corner, and you have to go right here to manage accounts on this device. When you are here, we have to select our currently account, tap to remove account, confirm, and take a look. Right now we are not logging anymore. We easily get rid of our account. So for example, if you want to share this device with someone else, or just sell this device and you want to be sure that all of your data from the Gmail will be just removed, that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.